Hello friends, this is Sumit and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Sex, Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face any medical or health related problem, what we usually do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends, right? But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone. Rather, we try to hide it. And for this reason, we have started this special sex educational show called Sex, Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, this is one of its kind platform where you all will be able to share your questions related to your sexual life and Dr. Vijay Daifale will solve your problem in very positive manner. But before starting the actual talk, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Daifale in detail.
Dr. Vijay Dahifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Dahifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology.
So friends, now that you all have got information about various clinics of Dr. Vijay Daifale, we have a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Daifale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai and that too in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take his positive consultation. Now let's start the show. We have doctor here with us. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Sumit.
Doctor, we are speaking about sexual dysfunction.
Yes.
And you have received lot of emails, lot
Yes.
of questions on your personal
Correct.
WhatsApp as well. And even we have received lot
Yeah.
of questions on the videos that we put out on
Definitely.
various social media
Yeah.
platforms. And sir, people want to know scientific
Yes.
information.
Correct.
And because of that, you have started this special series
Yes.
about different shapes of breast.
Yes,
And
sure.
the series has getting a lot of good response as well.
Response, correct.
So sir, in this particular series today, I want to ask you is,
Yes.
what are desk resters breast, sir?
Yes,
Please tell us.
correct. Basically, Sumit, in this series of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, we are seeing all these different topics, different shape of vagina, different shape of breast, different shape of penis and different shape of testicles. Also, we are seeing it very shortly.
Yes.
Why it is important so much? Because unless you know what is normal, you cannot comment on abnormal. Under the frame of this time, place, person, condition, culture, safety and consenting with your own and known partner, you are supposed to have this activity. But before that, we must know the scientific information.
Right.
There are 27 type of breasts and which are taken as a normal. But unless and until you know what is normal, what is abnormal, you cannot decide it. Desk, resters, breast. These are also taken as a normal. Especially there are supporting bras. When the breasts are quite larger one, they are heavy one, they are totally falling down. In such a cases, even if you are using the bras, sometimes this total pull, they can have a pain on shoulders also. In that case, sometimes you have to take a support of any surface like a desk or you have to take a support of any part. In that case, the appearance come like a square. And looking towards that appearance, there you get some relaxation because that weight is supported, called as desk rester breasts, and they are normal.
So sir, are there any different names to these type of breasts?
Yes, correct. Place resters breasts,
Okay.
shoulder heavy breasts,
Okay.
these are larger breasts, and these are pendulum breasts.
Okay.
Why this nomenclature is given? Because when we are going for the surgery, we take the special criteria whether they are harming, whether partner is gaining any problem for the foreplay, or there are other partner is whether he likes or don't like it. In such a cases, box type breasts, flattened breasts at the lower side. Sometimes you can say such a place rester breast. So these different nomenclature are there, but they are just for the purpose of knowledge. And when you go to the specialist, at that time any type of reconstruction is required. You can discuss with both of your partner and even the cosmetic surgeon also, and you can go for the normal shapes.
Sir, we have first caller on the
Sure.
show. Can we take
We'll
that
have
call?
it, yeah,
Yes.
correct.
We have Amol from Jalgaon. Amol, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello?
Sir, my partner breast are quite larger one. Can we bring it in shape by any surgery?
Okay.
Correct. I will continue same talk.
Yes, please.
Desk rester, hanging, they are making your body ache, are they making a problematic for you? Even at the time of foreplay, to get a sensation, the sensation which comes from nipple and areola and which goes towards the shoulder on outer 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock position. That area is very sensitive. And if suppose they are lost, what happens? They are problematic. They want to reduce it. Yes, cosmetic surgery is available, reduction mammoplasty. How it is done? It is done from the lower aspect to prevent the damage to this mammary ducts, because later on if they are going for pregnancy, there should not be any problem for feeding or milking or lactation. Even reposition of a areola, reposition of a nipple, that is done, and after this reduction mammoplasty, very small scar is seen. Later on you can erase it by laser or something and you can get a very nice breast. So friends, not to worry, with large breast also by reconstruction you can become a totally normal one.
Definitely. Sir, moving ahead,
Sure.
there is another type of breast
Yeah.
known as Lanthorpe's breast. Sir, what are these Lanthorpe's breast?
Correct. Miss, you are bringing such a nice different shapes, but we must know it. Lanthorpe's breast. Basically, this Lanthorpe is the name. He is an Australian swimmer. He was a
Okay.
hero of that swimming.
Okay.
What happens, especially you can see in figures, some breasts are projectile. They are just like running parallel to each other. When you are in the swimming pool, you feel that you are making a competition with each other. Projectile breast, or which are parallel breast or prominent breasts. Such a type of breasts are called as a Lanthorpe's breast. In his memory they have kept it.
Sir, then are there any different names to these particular type of breast?
Yes.
Okay.
Looking towards the size, these breasts are the parallel breast. These breasts are the longest, means tubular type of breast. So such a type of breast, they are competing breasts. See, these different names are there. If partner is comfortable with the partner, they have don't any objection. Most important, I'll tell you, such a type of breast doesn't cause any problem with feeding. But sometimes when they are wearing their undergarments, wearing their bras and wearing their other clothes, in that cases that prominence sometimes is they don't feel happy or they don't like that shape. In that case, you have to approach to the sexologist, urologist, andrologist, definitely by proper implants or by proper shaping. Definitely you can go for normal shaping as per your requirements, and that is also taken as a normal if suppose there is a no any other problem.
Definitely. Sir, we have one more caller on the
Sure,
show.
sure,
We
you can have it.
Swarupa from Delhi. Swarupa, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Sir, whether large size breast causes bacteria and fungal infection?
Yes.
Okay.
Correct. Now I feel same topic they are matching with each other.
Yes.
What are the side effects of large size breast? What happens due to that heavy weight? There is a constant pulling on the shoulder when they are walking. That causes constant neck and backache. Second thing, there is always sweating in the underneath area. What happens due to that wetness? Their skin become rash. There comes some rashes. There occurs some fungal infections. So in such cases, what is the line of treatment? Change your lifestyle, change your diet, reduce your weight. If required, you have to go for that reduction. Mammoplasty means you have to make the size smaller so that weight should not pull it. Systemic antifungal agents, local antifungal agents to prevent the itching or any type of fungal infection. So by taking these precautions, definitely you can take care and maintain your breast normally, because for your partner, for their foreplay and for the enjoyment, they must be in shape, they must be in size, and they should not be with any infection or any type of pain. So not to worry, with proper treatment, you can go for a normal type of breast after reconstructive surgery.
Definitely. Sir, moving ahead, there
Yeah.
is one more type of
Sure.
breast. Name is very unique and
Yeah.
it is called as Madonna's breast. Sir,
Madonna's.
what are Madonna's breast?
Yeah, Madonna's breast. You can see in the figures. Typically, these are the cones, like an ice cream cone. You can see
Okay.
the two pointing things. The circumferential area is not full; it's a narrow. The base is broad, and the tip is very narrow. It's like a cone. So, such a type of breast are called as a Madonna's breast. And what other names are there? Definitely, we'll see one by one.
Definitely. Sir, then are there any different names for these
Yes,
breasts?
like a ice cream cone breast.
Okay.
Like a conical or inverted cone breast. You can say as a narrow and slanting breast, or you can say totally empty or hollow breast.
Definitely.
But this nomenclature doesn't change any pattern. Most importantly, partner is feeling for their foreplay there is any problem, or if he is thinking there will be problem for feeding, there will be problem for lactation. In such a cases, if required, we can increase the size of breast so many times. We can use the injections of the fillers and these fats also, but it depends on the shape. If required, we can go for the implants also. So friends, only one thing I want to tell you, such a type of 27 breasts are normal. If any doubt comes to you, rather than discussing with any lay persons, come to the sexologist, urologist, andrologist to prevent misunderstanding, to prevent complication, to prevent quarrel, and to continue unique formula for happy life forever.
Definitely, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you so much for sharing all this valuable information,
Sure.
sir. But due to time constraint, we have to
We'll be back
stop
again.
here. This
Yeah.
particular episode, definitely we'll meet in one
Sure.
more episode.
Yeah.
But friends, you can also take Dr. Vijay Daifale's consultation. There are various contact details available right on your screen. And there is a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Daifale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai, and that too in specifically Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation. Well, friends, it's time to stop here. Thank you so much.